How to turn off auto translate in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto translate in your TikTok application in your smartphone. So first of all, just open your TikTok and just log into your account. And after that, just click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And here just click on the three dot icon at the top right corner. And from here, just go to settings and privacy. And now just scroll all the way down till the content and display section. And here just click on language. And after that, just click on translation language, and I've already set it to English. And after that, you will see this option called always show translations. So you can enable by switching this bar, or if you want to disable, you just have to simply switch the bar again. So this is how you will be able to turn off auto translate in TikTok. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.